Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? First of all, it was a beautiful event yesterday for the Lionsgate portal. And secondly, I would love to pray for you all my followers, all my friends, all my students out there on this beautiful Lionsgate portal day, that God fulfill all your wishes and may all your desires come true. And 26th of August, we are bringing in a free event, an online event where we shall be bringing in some speakers and a lot of motivational things in that. So if you really want to be a part of it, you can WhatsApp to 63806777131 with your name and your mail ID. We will add you to a group from where we will be updating the event details and everything. So now coming back to the reading, today is a day of Lionsgate portal. So I have taken the Archangel cards and I'm also going to bring in one card for healing as to how. Now this is going to be overall reading for how is your day ahead today and till the upcoming Lions portal, which is in 2023, so that you all will be excited to know how it is and what it is that it gives. And today I will see who all are liking the video and commenting on the video. One of the special subscribers who given a beautiful comment or give us an insight on what they need or something which is actually touching me and attracting me, I will do a 3-card reading for them for no charges. I will give their names on the same video as a comment, so look out for it whose name is coming, and do WhatsApp the team with your 3 questions. So now let's go to the reading. Okay, so that's the first card. That's a beautiful card because I was telling my event students yesterday for the Lions portal that it's a day of spiritual enhancement. So maybe it is saying that look out for symbols, look out for images, and if you somewhere desire that you want to grow in your spiritual feeling, in your spiritual field, then today is the day. Work on yourself, do some wish manifestation work on your chakras, work on your cleansing part, and I'm sure some sort of symbols the Archangel Raziel is going to bring to you, and he is going to show you what it is that is required and the truths behind it. And if you feel guided towards joining some course, and if you feel today is the day to enroll for it, then please enroll for it, because today's day, whatever you invest, be it in course, be it in spiritual energies, it will bring back to you multiple times. Let us see what's the next card that is coming. Career transition. So those who are looking out for a change in career, there is a beautiful blessed change coming. Archangel Samuel is with you also today. If someone is joining a new company, then that company is good for them. If someone is looking for a job change, then today is the day to start looking out for another job, to start looking out for other job opportunities. Today, start your day with chakra meditation, more like a beej mantra meditation. If you go to beej mantras for every chakra, you will find in the Google. Do that because chakra clearing will help you beautifully. Today, the color to wear is white because it's a day of divine light, divine portals opening. So white is the color. I am just guided to pull one more card from this before I pull the healing cards. Gift from the God. What more do you need on this beautiful Lions portal day, that the archangels are giving you the gift? Now when I see this, look at this image, call on Archangel Sidalphon and tell him to give you the gift. Tell him the wish that you have, tell him the desire that you have, and ask him to bless you with the desire, and ask the archangel to bless you with that gift and to give you that gift. Now it's a portal day, right? So let's do one healing card. Let's bring in one healing card, that what it is that the blessings, the healing cards are asking you to do. So let's see what it is. Self-love. Give yourself loads of love. Carry rose quartz with you. If you don't want to carry rose quartz with you, you can also use pink color. You can you can have a bath with rose water. That also works beautifully for self-love. Burn a pink candle and try to energize yourself with the pink candle flame. That also is an energy of self-love. Moreover, I would say on this beautiful day of Lionsgate portal, let go of things which are troubling you, and embrace love in your life, because when you embrace love in your life, then not only you love yourself, but the whole world loves you. Have a beautiful day ahead, and may The Lions Gate portal bless you with loads and loads of energies, happiness, abundance, and all your wishes come true. Thank you.